Hi, today I'll be showing you a setup guide for the Una. It's the single person Tentsile, bringing out 2018. Inside you'll find the tent, fly sheet, poles and straps, and one ratchet. And now it's time to lay the tent out. You want to spread it out so that each of the corners is facing the trees that you're going to anchor to. So get it kind of laid out like that. Let's put the clip somewhere nice. And then we're going to attach the straps. So the strap goes through the D-ring. Under and then over. A loop through the D-ring and then under there, and you're good to go. And then we take the ratchet, thread the last strap through the spindle, pull the slack through. Pinch the lock, set it back into lock position. Then take the pole, thread it through the green pole sleeve, and then put it in the socket here. Then walk round to the other side and pop the top up, put it in the other socket. Now I'll show you how to put on the fly sheet. The fly sheet is simple, pretty small. Where we're going to use the bungees and hooks to lace up the strap, giving it a good grip to the strap. And then you can hook it to itself like that. And then on your hand up, get on the other side. Nice and tight, lace it up the strap. Take a peg, put it through, loop in the bungee, stick it in the ground, give it a twist. The further into the ground you can get it, the better. But I'm going to just put it in quickly. Okay. Then attach the last bungee, which is the really long one, to a loop that's going to be here, and fly up to one of your anchor point trees, and it's going to hold up that central point of the fly sheet for the Una. And there you are, Tentsile Una.